Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, daily chart. And yesterday, I would say for the first time all summer, we had a good old-fashioned summer Monday. Yesterday in regular session, didn't want to do anything. We never migrated more than five handles or so from the regular session open, and we migrated back in, and the range was tight, and you just kind of had to take what it gave you, or try to get more and not worry about it if you didn't get it. It was just one of those days where, from as far as trading the futures go, there was not much going on the S&P for the regular session. We'll see if that continues today. You have had a little more movement in Globex. They tested it. They traded down to 31.71 and change off the Europe Open. They've taken it up as high as 88.75. So we continue to do this slow drip up, dragging those shorts, slow motion squeezing them up to new all-time highs. And we are within 10 handles of new all-time highs right now, based upon the Globex high. So we're trading 85.75 right now, 88.75 overnight. The hourly chart, just, this was your regular session yesterday. Not much there, right? And the whole thing, you can see how tight the bands are. It's just kind of consolidating. What I would say traditionally, with traditional summer, Mondays are terrible. Friday afternoons tend to go dormant. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are pretty good trading days. You get your work done Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in the summertime. So we'll see what this has in store today. You see the hourly mid-band 81. It's really critical for the bulls. They hold that area. The bears just, they have nothing sustainable at all until they convert any level on the board that matters on a closing basis and hold that level on a multi-day basis. I say this every day because that is the only thing that matters with regard to whether or not we're going to get a meaningful pullback. And until we do, every one of these, and every one of these, and every one of these, and every one of these is getting bought. And we will go and make higher high after higher high after higher high. This tape is bid, period. You may not want it to be bid. You may argue with the economics of it or the geopolitics of it. It doesn't fucking matter. It's bid. That's it. End of story. So until you start to lose things like the 9-day, like the weekly pivot, or even something way up here like the hourly midband, not a big ask. Until you lose them and keep it lost and not trade back over the top of it, you will continue to get the new high right there at 88.75. So you can be short at times. Take your profits where you find them. Respect risk. But the trend continues to be higher. It's just right now it's in a very compressed range. You're waiting on a lot of stuff. You're waiting on you're waiting on the stimulus package. I think that's important. And it's, it is we're in the back half of August. And this is traditionally a time where things slow down a little bit for a couple of days a week. And then, come September, it's right, we're right back going. So as far as today goes, you got a lot of stuff bunched up in 81. Volume weighted average price is 81.64. We talked about the hourly midband at 81.20. 5-minute midband and our proprietary moving average are locked up at 85.25. And you've got your high up there at 88.75. So above, below 81, very short term off the open is going to be important. Bears need to break 70. Bulls want 3,400. All right, everybody have a great day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.